Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset, and tap on Reset Phone. So here we have to tap on Reset Network and Bluetooth settings and confirm everything with the screen lock. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it. Be aware because you cannot undo this action, so just tap on Reset if you're ready. And now wait a second until our device will successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.